Hello guys, welcome back to Nikki G. We've got a cracker of a video today. And I've been saying that the last few videos, but this one really is a cracker. In front of me here, we have the world's first polymer $10 note. Now, I know this is it because it's 0.2 kilograms and it's from Downey's, which is a well-known collectible, well, it's a well-known banknote store. So, alrighty, let's crack into it. I've got some scissors here. Gonna make sure it's on that side so that we don't actually damage it. So this could actually be harder than I thought. Anybody got a knife? Alrighty guys, so I found one of these knives. So let's try this. So I'm probably doing this not safely, but I'll just pause it so that I can give my full attention to this so that I don't cut my finger off. Alrighty, so that's done. So now we just lift up this bit, and have I cut properly up here? No, I haven't. So alrighty guys, so we're nearly ready to get started. So just lift it up. Whoop. Oh, there's documents. There's documents. Alrighty, so I've had to remove the documents because obviously it has our name and address on it. So we've got a thank you card from Downey's Collectibles. So, alrighty, we got bubble wrap here. So let's just crack into this. Oh, it's got tape. So oh, I got it. I got it. So it's in cardboard. Oh my goodness! Look at the protection. Also, it's in the reserve bank folder, commemorative $10 note. Oh, commemorative $10 note again. Oh, there it is. There it is. The commemorative $10 note. So, oh my god. Oh. This is so cool. I cannot believe that the world's first polymer banknote is in my hands. Oh. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, everybody. On the card it says, "We hope that your new purchase makes your day." It really has. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see ya.